Sanjay, 1 minute. Party, the Congress Sanjay, does. you see things change very quickly in Delhi.
Yeah.
You know, this morning when I was taking a flight from Delhi, it was very foggy. And and then there was a breeze, and I said to someone that when the breeze comes, it takes away the fog, and in Delhi the weather changes in an instant. What I did not know is not only does the weather change in an instant, the same people who are sending thank you notes to each other are fighting on national television in the morning, are sending thank you notes, short of roses being sent to each other. You know, it's a newfound warmth between Rahul Gandhi and Anna. It's all over by the news hour. I ask one question: who is the person who you would give more credit, and you're back to basics? What happened, Sanjay?
No. You didn't
Past
hear me correctly.
agreement over. Morning agreement over at night.
I know your trademark style, but let me tell you, if I change the sequences, said Mr. Anna Hazare, Mr. Rahul Gandhi at the cabinet, it doesn't change the
content. Oh, come on, Sanjay. Come on, Sanjay. What are we talking about tonight? What are we talking about tonight? We are talking about a very serious issue.
This party has nothing to offer but to actually use anti-corruption as a platform to build a political constituency, which now the parliament today has
try to understand. Your party has to connect with people. What Aam Aadmi Party is doing. You are trying to connect with Anna ji, but nobody will buy this story.
Now here's one question. Okay.
So you have to connect with people.
Kumar Vishwas is also saying something. Kumar Vishwas
will not serve your purpose.
संजय आप आज बहुत अच्छे रहे. आज आपने बिना रुके लगभग 25 बार राहुल गांधी बोला. द ऑस्कर गोज टू यू. और यूनाइटेड नेशंस की ओर से भी राहुल गांधी जी को थैंक यू कि उन्होंने लोकपाल की इतनी बड़ी लड़ाई लड़ी और देश को करप्शन के खिलाफ एक मजबूत कानून दिया. मुझे लगता है कि आप खुश होंगे अब.
No, he's a self-appointed distributor of Oscar awards now. I mean, for God's sake, I can understand the arrogance is reaching some new heights.
I'm glad we have a sense of humor left on this debate. Now,
poetic license on Newshour. Arnab, you got what you wanted. Poetic license on Newshour.
I haven't got
from Kumar Vishwas.
I haven't got what I wanted. I never managed to get what I want from the political class.
No, you did.
But as long as they don't get what they want from me, I'm fine with it. I'm not supposed to be in league with you. The last question I have is on the investigating machinery.
The people of India are going to get a very strong bill.
The question is on the investigating machinery.
Very strong anti-corruption.
Gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen,
the people of India are the real winners today.
Ladies and
people of India will get a great bill from the government.
Now you got an Oscar. You're already giving an Oscar speech. Now 1 second. He gave you an Oscar and you're already giving the Oscar speech. 1 second. That's a lighter note. Don't respond to it. The question is, last point tonight is on the investigating machinery. Pinky Anand, as per the government's Lokpal bill, the Lokpal will have to get the complaints investigated by any investigating agency, including the CBI, all of which will continue to remain under the administrative control of the government. Which means that the transfer, postings and post-retirement jobs of CBI officers, all of these people will be under the control of the government. Where is any independence of the investigating machinery, which is what I think this whole fight was about?
Arnab, just two things. One, the investigation by CBI, which are in cases which are referred to by the Lokpal, will be by the Lokpal and not under the machinery of the government. So let's get that factum clear. And that's a specific provision which has been put in for cases which are to be done within the purview of Lokpal. As far as the question of transfer is concerned, BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party specifically raised the issue that officers cannot be transferred without the permission of the Lokpal. That objection has been accepted, and that is a provision now incorporated under the current
acceptable.
So both these aspects have been covered. The selection of the CBI director, the separation of the powers of the director and the investigating agency.
No, but these CBI officers will be scared.
Of the director,
there will be no independence
of sanction of the Lokpal. No, you can keep saying, Arnab, the point is not what you are saying. The point is you said, what about the independence?
Arnab, if people are
scared, they will remain scared forever, whichever way it comes, whether it's under the Lokpal or whether it's under the government. The question is where the Lokpal has been given the authority to monitor the cases which are under supervision. That has been done. Officers will not be transferred. That has been accepted. It's a matter of record.
I'd say, Shishi, there is other argument. The other argument is that I think we as Indians have been very proud. The government has been very unhappy with the CAG. But CAG, Kumar Vishwas, has been under the administrative control of the finance ministry. Did that make Vinod Rai less effective in taking on the government?
डेफिनेटली। देखिए अर्नब, पहले तो थैंक यू संजय झा की दिन भर की जो उदासी थी वो आपने अनेक बार उसको छाटा राहुल गांधी बोल के मुझे, लेकिन फिर भी बहुत दुख का दिन है। बहस कुछ भी कर ले, लोग बाग सारे चैनल्स पर बहस देख रहे हैं। अन्ना ने खुद कहा कि 40% कम होगा। उस संकल्प को लोग याद रख रहे हैं कि पूरा देश इकट्ठा हुआ था। पूरा देश चाहता था कि पहली 3 बातें जरूर हों। पूरा देश चाहता था कि जो लोग कंप्लेन करें उनके खिलाफ कुछ ना हो। पूरा देश चाहता था कि सिंगल एप्लीकेशन पर काम हो सके और कम से कम ग्रीवेंस रिड्रेसल जैसी चीजें जो थी और विसल ब्लोअर प्रोटेक्शन जो था, ये सब कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है। एक बड़े आंदोलन को रैप अप करने की जल्दी है दोनों पार्टियों की। जैसा सुनीता कह रही है,
चाहने से नहीं बनता है, एक सही प्रकार से कानून बनाना पार्लियामेंट का भी काम है।
पिंकी जी, ये तर्क तो कांग्रेस वाले पिछले 3 साल से दे रहे थे कि ज्यादा कानून बनाना है तो अंदर आ जाइए। उसी जद्दोजहद में तो हम 28 पहुंचे हैं, जहां संजय जी 8 रह गए हैं और अभी वही एरोगेंस हमारी पूरी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी से मिल रही है। मैं वही से कह रहा हूँ, पूरी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी हमने बना दिया, हम बना लेंगे।
Why are you scared of forming a government, Dr. Vishwas? Why don't you take our support and pass the Jan Lokpal bill for your Delhi on December 29th in Ramlila? For God's sake, respect the people of Delhi. If you want to do it, why are you scared? I think you are scared of passing the bill. No, why aren't you doing it? We have provided you support from the outside.
No, one second.
Why aren't you doing it? Go and pass the Jan Lokpal bill at Ramlila on December 29th. Why are you scared?
हमने 8 पर पहुंचाया, जिसके 4 मंत्री हराए हैं।
No, why are you scared? Why are you not living up to the promises you made in your manifesto?
जनता के बीच ले जा रहे हैं।
Why are you scared of living up to the promises you made in your manifesto? Mr. Vishwas, answer the question. Don't dodge, please. Why aren't you taking our outside support and passing a Jan Lokpal bill?
हम तो बनाएंगे।
You worry about the Lok Ayukta for Delhi. Why did you pass a Lok Ayukta for Delhi in Ramlila on December 29th as you promised? We are supporting you. Go ahead and do it. We have supported you in all 18 clauses you wanted.
नहीं, आप बार-बार एक ही बात को कहेंगे।
Please answer. Everybody wants to know. Delhi needs a government.
सरकार बनाएंगे, सरकार बचे या जाए, हम एक मजबूत जन लोकपाल दिल्ली में बनाएंगे। आपके समर्थन की आवश्यकता नहीं है, आपके किसी के समर्थन की आवश्यकता नहीं है। जनता से पूछेगी कि क्या करना है। अगर जनता कहेगी
कुमार विश्वास
रालेगंज सिद्धि में जाकर देकर आए।
कुमार विश्वास 1 मिनट, ये
कुमार विश्वास जी, जब जो कुछ जनता कहेगी आप उसी प्रकार से करें तो शायद किसी और तरीके से चलेगा।
नहीं, ये प्लीज this one last question.
कोई कानून नहीं, कोई
एक सवाल मेरा, एक सवाल
पार्लियामेंट नहीं, जो जनता
एक सवाल मेरा कुमार विश्वास जी से था। I'll mention this in English and Hindi, you understand more. Mr. Kumar Vishwas, I thought only dance reality shows on TV and talent hunts were decided by SMS polls. Now you are telling people you SMS whether we should form the government or not. जनता जिसके पास सेलफोन नहीं है कि वो एसएमएस करे, क्या वो जनता नहीं होती है? ये किस तरह का डिसीजन है? द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाई डोंट यू डिसाइड, व्हाई डोंट यू डिसाइड वेदर यू वांट टू फॉर्म अ गवर्नमेंट और नॉट? डोंट पास ऑन एवरी रिस्पांसिबिलिटी टू द पीपल। या यू डिसाइड, यू हैव टू डिसाइड,
वी आर नॉट पासिंग ऑन,
यू हैव टू डिसाइड।
पहली बात केवल एसएमएस नहीं है, पहली बात तो केवल एसएमएस नहीं है, हर वार्ड में सभा है। दूसरा, हम इस स्वराज की धारणा के खिलाफ है कि अगर राजस्थान में 200 में से 150 विधायक किसी पार्टी के आ गए तो 2 पर्यवेक्षक लिफाफा लेकर जाते हैं और कहते हैं ये आपका मुख्यमंत्री दरवाजे पे 3 महीने से खड़े हुए थे।
संजय झा इज सेइंग यू आर स्कैर्ड,
दोबारा चले जाएंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा?
संजय झा सेज यू आर स्कैर्ड ऑफ फॉर्मिंग द गवर्नमेंट। आर यू स्कैर्ड? आर यू स्कैर्ड ऑफ लीविंग?
स्कैर्ड हैं उनके संजय झा के वचनों से आम आदमी पार्टी निकलती है बार-बार।
ओके जेंटलमैन,
हम तो संजय झा अमेठी आ रहे हैं, वहीं मुलाकात करेंगे आपसे।
ओके जेंटलमैन, क्लोजिंग द डिबेट ऑन डिबेट नंबर 2, Pinky Anand, Kumar Vishwas, Sanjay Jha and Sunita Godara, thank you very much for joining me on the Lokpal debate. And that is all that we have on the news hour this evening. I'd like to thank all of you for your continued viewership. We are going to follow and see what the American government does, and whatever you feel about what the British American government has done in the case of Devyani, you can tweet us and tell us what you think. Look forward to getting your feedback. And that's our question tonight. Will Obama personally intervene to clear the mistrust and suspicion following the arrest and humiliation of the Indian diplomats? If Clinton could talk about an American who was held in Singapore, will Obama talk about what has happened to Devyani? If there are no double standards, he should. And he probably will. Thank you for joining me on the News Hour tonight. See you tomorrow, same time. Good night and goodbye.